Hello. Welcome to the 5 Best Review. Here we bring the best brands for you after research so that you can make a smart purchasing decision. Today we presents the 5 best portable high chair to buy in 2021. Before diving into today's product list, don't forget to hit the subscription button to stay updated. If you want to check further, links have been added in the description box. Let's get started. On top of our list, in first place we have the Phil & Ted's award-winning portable high chair. This is a top-quality high chair. It is incredibly lightweight and compact, making it fantastic for those who are on the go. The seat has an aluminum frame for strength, while a padded back section provides comfort. The seat attaches to the table with clamps and pads that are non-slip, fitting a table. For children between 3 months and 3 years, this portable travel high chair is fantastic, mainly because it accommodates a weight up to 37 pounds, meaning it will grow with your child. Features: super light and compact, suitable for indoor and outdoor use, safe and secure. Moving to the next one of the list. In the second position we have the Englisina Fast Table High Chair. The Englisina Fast Table is a comfortable and sturdy seat, and we were pleasantly surprised at its user-friendly features. It is relatively easy to attach the chair to a table or bar using the twist clamp system. The fabric seat is a high-quality canvas that easily wipes clean. It can also be removed for hand washing if a little more elbow grease is needed. The chair can fold flat and stow in the attached carry bag hidden within the seat. This feature dramatically increases portability, making it perfect for outings and in-home use alike. This chair leaves a sizable gap between the edge of the table and baby. It is large enough that food may fall in the baby's seat or on the floor. While this chair conveniently slides onto the edge of most tables, you'll want to review the instruction manual to see what surfaces are suitable before installing. Despite these concerns, we love the quality and functionality of this versatile seat and highly recommend it. Features: portable, collapsible design, durable and washable materials, handy storage pocket. Coming up next. In third place we have the Graco Slim Snacker High Chair. The Amazon's Choice product Graco Slim Snacker High Chair is so lightweight and compact you could fold and carry it just about anywhere, from a suitcase or diaper bag to your own purse or book bag. The sling itself can be slid over most dining chairs, and then baby slides right in and can be secured with the shoulder straps. You can also throw the entire thing in the washing machine without disassembling any pieces. Even though the seat comes with a 5-point security harness, you should only use this seat with kids who are able to sit on their own, from around 6 months to 36 months, or until they weigh 35 pounds. Features: ultra slim space saver high chair. Fold it and forget it, with the self-standing fold. Easy clean seat pad. Now moving to the number 4. Costco Simple Fold High Chair. Nothing is more compact than a product that can be fully deflated. Costco Simple Fold Chair fits to pretty much any standard regular chair, and it's made with padded seats, sides and backrest for maximum comfort, as well as a front bumper bar that aids little ones in their development when they're just learning how to sit by themselves. The one potential negative of this chair is that it takes a little extra time and effort on your part to actually blow it up, whereas other chairs mostly strap onto a traditional dining chair, fold out, or clamp onto a table. This chair is best used for kids from 6 months to about 3 years or 33 pounds. Features: easy wipe seat makes all that baby goo simple to clean. Compact fold great for taking on the go. Wipeable seat pad. In the 5th position we have the Chow Baby Portable High Chair. If you think your baby will do best in a travel high chair that's as similar to his regular one as possible, the Chow Baby Portable High Chair, an Amazon's Choice product, is a great option. Even though the entire chair can be folded up into a compact size that's easy to travel with, the whole thing pops back into place in mere seconds. Baby is secured in the chair with a lap belt, and there is a clear vinyl tray that you can attach to place his food. One of the best things about this product is that you actually don't need any additional chairs or tables to make it work, like some of the hanging or sling products. Pick from 8 colors, and use only if your baby can support her own head and neck and sit on her own, and use it up until 3 years of age. Features: slim and foldable, easy to clean feeding tray, 5-point safety harness. Thanks for being with the 5 Best review throughout this video. We hope that you have already made up your mind for the right best portable high chair. Do comment if you have any query and don't forget to share it with a friend. See you guys in the next video.